NLP Cloud Moscow installation. Let's download the NLP Cloud Moscow program library. The work on the NLP Cloud library for natural language text processing, or NLTP for short, began in 2012. At the present time, there are two versions of the library. NLP Cloud Moscow in National University of Science and Technology MISIS, and NLP Cloud Kazan in Kazan Federal University. The NLP Cloud Moscow version is designed for desktop applications for deep NLTP. The long-range objectives of NLP Cloud Moscow include spelling correction, homophony and homonymy disambiguation using syntactic models. Before you download the library, make sure that you have installed DDK, Git, and Maven. In order to do that, in the command prompt write Java version and press Enter, Git version and press Enter, MVN version and press Enter. If you see the information about these products, you can proceed to downloading NLP Cloud Moscow program library. The library is available for download from choose NLP Cloud from the list of directories. Select the link next to HTTPS and copy it to the clipboard. Open command prompt. You need to create the test directory. In order to do that, type mkdir test and switch to the newly created directory. Type cd test. Write the command git clone with parameters. There, the web address can be pasted from the clipboard. The directory from bitbucket.org will be downloaded to your computer. The process can take a few minutes. Create a TMP folder in the catalog with the test folder. Inside the TMP folder, create two more folders, in and out. There the input and the output text files will be stored. The test input file can be downloaded from. For the correct work of the pipeline, you have to install Stanford PoS-tagger. In the command prompt, switch to NLP Cloud folder by typing cd test NLP Cloud. Then, write the command that will allow you to install the PoS-tagger into the folder with NLP Cloud Moscow library. Press Enter. Now, make sure you have installed everything correctly. In the command prompt, type the command mvn compile and press Enter. Maven will compile the source code of the project. The line build success in the console means that everything was installed correctly. Running a pipeline for spelling correction in English. Let's now run the pipeline for spelling correction in English. First, you have to check there were all the required programs such as Java, Git, and Maven are installed on your computer. Sequentially, write the following three commands in the command prompt: Java version, Git version, MVN version. If you see information about these products, they are installed correctly. Before you run the pipeline, make sure that you have downloaded the latest version. To do the switch to the folder with NLP Cloud library by writing in the command prompt cd test NLP Cloud. Then write the following command: git pull. If a new version of a pipeline is available in the repository, it will be automatically downloaded to your computer. The line already up to date means that you have the most recent version of the library. Now you can run the pipeline. Switch to the folder with the latest releases. Write the command. There, the date is the name of the folder with the required release. To run the pipeline, use the following command. To avoid mistakes, you can type the command in any text editor and then copy it to the command prompt. The output file defines the file where the output collection will be written. If this file does not exist, it will be created automatically. The output.xmi file defines the file where the results of the program execution will be written in XMI format. The input directory defines the directory with the input collection. The path after the angle quotes is where the log of the program execution will be stored. If you choose already existing files for output collection and logs, new data will be appended to these files. If these files do not exist, they will be created automatically. Press Enter and the execution of the program will begin. It can take up to 15 minutes, depending on the characteristics of your computer. During the work of the program, the command line can show you some warning about the possible errors in the log. These errors are not critical and they do not influence the execution of the program. The output files are located in the folders that you wrote at the launch. The NLP Cloud Moscow program received a file containing 100 tweets with spelling mistakes. The program corrected these mistakes and created an output file. You can find the resulting file in the directory.